Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this mattress vacuum cleaner. This thing looks really cool, so I'm excited to try it out because I've never vacuumed my mattress because it wasn't something I really thought about. But after looking at this thing, I feel like this is going to be quite disgusting when I clean off my mattress here in a minute. So in the box here, we get the actual vacuum cleaner, and this thing's pretty light. It's only 4 pounds. And it's got a 16-foot cord. So that should be able to reach across to all sorts of different styles of beds. You get the instruction guide, and it has little aromatherapy tabs. So if you did want to have that extra smell in there, you've got nice little tabs that you can then add to this vacuum cleaner just to make it smell a little more fresh. So here's the vacuum up close. You can easily remove the dustbin by pressing on that button, and it just clicks out. It does have a dual chamber in here. So that way, when you open it up by just lifting that out, you've got your filter here that you can easily take out to remove and clean that out. And you've got your hair and your dust go in separate containers. So that way it'll help prevent clogging. Put that back on, and then we just put it right back in place. So it is very easy installation for that. This is only 4 pounds. Now at the bottom of it, it has a UVC light that is activated whenever these two buttons are actually pushed down. If they aren't pushed down, then that UV light will not activate. It is a one-touch operation, so you've got your button right there that then turns it on. And it does have an aromatherapy that they actually give you the little tabs if you wanted to add aromatherapy in here as well. So some of the little maintenance things that they have on here, whenever you remove your dustbin, you actually have this area right here. That is where you put your aromatherapy tablets. You open it, you can have this right here. You take out your filter and your little stainless steel container, and you can wash those under water and then just let them dry out for about 24 hours before you use them again. The underneath side, you have your roller brushes. If you, for whatever reason, get stuck on something or you need to clean those out, you just press down on these two, and that will release this. And then you can get into your roller brush to clean that out as well. All right, so I've got this thing on my bed here, got it plugged in. We're gonna turn this on, and as soon as you turn it on, there is a screen here that shows you the different things that it does. So it's got your hot air, your ultrasonic, your vibration, and your ambient. So you can actually see when all of those are on. And then your UV light one comes on. As soon as you start pressing down, you can then see that. I'm just pressing down, and we're gonna go just in and out on the bed and pull up whatever stuff we need to get. So now I'm out here on my couch. This is super gross from what all it picked up from my bed. This has 500 watts of power. It has a 15 kilowatt suction. And I am just going to get my area. My dog sits up here all the time. So it is always super gross. And we're gonna get this all cleaned up. Now because of this uneven surface, this UV light is not kicking on this area, but it is still pulling up all of the dirt, and I can still feel that heat that's coming up from here. Now normally to vacuum off my couch, I pick up my giant vacuum and I run over it. This is much lighter and much easier, and it is doing a great job picking everything up. I'm really impressed with how easy this machine is to use and how well it works.